Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for Monday, September 14th, 2015. And I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you enjoy the weekend with whatever you do on the weekend. I firstly, there was no there was no update on Friday. We were having some unexpected and unforeseen technical difficulties, so I must apologize for that. We received a number of emails about the technical market update on Friday. So again, I must apologize, but it was completely beyond our control. Okay, so looking at the markets, what exactly is happening? We are still with the euro. We are still in a sideways. Pretty much, we have a sideways situation uh, here with the markets. We had what could have been a breakout, but the market came back in, and we see that the price action is pretty anemic with the euro currency. Now, I suspect once these markets do, and once Europe starts going again, it's going to move very, very quickly, because in the past, that's exactly what has happened. And it's situations like this, as traders, your patience is tested, because do not fall for the trap that the market is setting for you. It's a complacency trap. It's a trap that, okay, let's let's frustrate traders, and let's see how long they can last in this environment of frustration. And as soon as you're frustrated, the markets start to move again. So you just have to keep up your analysis and keep doing what you're doing, and the profits will come eventually, especially if you're a trend trader. If you are doing day trading, then these movements are not as bad, because you are still seeing some good day trading opportunities in the markets. Okay, so that is the situation with the euro. Resistance is up at 117. Actual high is 117.14, and support is down at this triangle, this rising triangle. Let me just draw the triangle. And the triangle comes, the not triangle, trend line, sorry, this uptrend line, and support comes in today. If it was to hit the trend line, maybe at this 110 region. Taking a look at the US dollar index, we see why the market is consolidating. The market hit support in the 93 region and bounced, and we're still in a triangular consolidation pattern. There are folks, and the bulls and the bears have good arguments. There are folks that said that this is a 1, 2, 3 top. 1, 2, 3. The market broke down. This is a Fibonacci retracement, and the market will head to the downside. That is argument number one. Argument number two is that what's happening is that the market's in an uptrend, and this is just a mere consolidation, and the market will break to the upside. So that's why you have a tug of war here between the bulls and the bears with the dollar index, and we just have to wait to see which direction the market breaks out into, to see where, for clues as to where it's going. But in the meantime, other pairs are moving. For example, the Australian dollar. There was some news about the the election of a new prime minister in Australia, and we see that the market is moving up on this news, and the Australian dollar over the last 5 days has recovered slightly from a low of 69 all the way up to 71.43. Is this the beginning of a new correction? The market will have to eclipse this 74 level for for the correction to regain some steam. So support is down at the 68 level and resistance is at 74 in Australian dollar. Taking a look at the Japanese yen, taking its cues from the stock market still. When we see the stock market down, the Japanese yen is increasing, or the USD Japanese yen moves down, which means the Japanese yen is increasing. Uh, so so the Japanese yen is trying to sort out itself. It's up against the US dollar this morning, and the critical support in the yen is down at 116. If we see the market break below 116, that will be bearish for this currency pair, and it could start a much larger correction with the Japanese yen. And if the larger correction occurs, that would be an opportunity for a nice move down in the Japanese yen currency pairs, which will offer some wonderful trading opportunities. Okay, looking looking at looking at the British pound, we see that the market bounced off of support in this 152 region, headed up, and we're seeing some resistance at 155. So the British pound is moving. It's unclear which direction the British pound wants to move at this point in time. Both the bulls and the bears have good arguments as to what is going on with the markets. Okay, so and the big announcement, the big fundamental announcement this week, and I don't speak much about fundamentals, but the big announcement is the Fed decision, and we could see some volatility in and around that decision. And what that could do is that it could give this market some juice behind it, to see if we can break out of these mundane ranges. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and this is a very exciting week in the markets. And if you would like to have the signals, as I said, this is the busiest time of the year when it comes to trending, and I believe the market will start to trend soon. If you'd like to get involved before they start trending, click on the link below this video to get more information. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.